Any spontaneous landings were all planned for effect.
That sounds like a disclaimer on a Rotor Riot video.
We're just making him send it. Yeah, he's happy about it. Yeah.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you're gonna build a crazy big flying DIY project like this, chances are you might need some custom components. If you do, go check out PCBWay because they make all kinds of printed circuit boards, that's what PCB stands for, and other custom electronic parts. They can even put the two together and build your component and send it back to you. PCBWay also offers rapid prototyping services like injection molding, sheet metal, CNC machining, and 3D printing. So if you need parts created for you for your special project, go check out PCBWay.com, link in the description down below. Now let's get going.
What are you gonna do to make it better? I'm just gonna send it. I built it.
I'm done.
I built it.
A farther distance, everybody should be where we would normally be. I'm gonna try to keep it over the container, but things can go wrong.
Wrong in weird ways too.
Is it safe? I don't know.
No, if they're as safe as the
Safe as
train
a-
going that way.
Just make sure the pilots know he's in there. We gotta make sure everybody knows.
He's in.
Yeah.
Safe is relative.
Just wear a mask while you're up there, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
So is this thing gonna work?
Yes. 100% without fail.
I like that confidence. I like it.
Any spontaneous landings were all planned for effect.
Drew told us this.
That sounds like a disclaimer on a Rotor Riot video. Everything was meant to happen this way. Don't worry about it.
We planned this.
Well, just remember, if it works, we worked really hard on it. If it doesn't, it was all Jeff's idea. Or all
Jeff's
Sean's
idea.
idea.
I built it. I built it.
That crazy Sean.
Oh, God. That rascal.
What's he doing again?
A rascal and his mad science. 16 motors, 4 4-in-1 ESCs, 4 batteries, all running. Motors are running 7-inch props. These are 2207 blaster motors, 1800 kV. Running DJI digital FPV. We have a Maytech F7 HD flight controller in there. The ESC, the signals are tied together. So this is acting as one motor. This is acting as another motor. So it's acting as an octocopter, basically a stacked octocopter.
Cool. There's the mastermind.
All right, here we go. Hopefully this records. All right, time to plug it in. Remember to wrap the leads around it. They're super long. Yep. All right, let's all stay away from that area.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what are you talking about? That's just like, you know, only mildly warm.
Yeah.
But there's one
It
battery.
did not come down because I landed it. It came down because it was out of voltage.
Hang on.
Thank you.
There you are. Those are the hottest lipos I've ever held.
Really? Pilots went down early. That's a video or whatever. But we got one successful guy. Record your GoPros, your PVRs.
You need props? You're gonna fly again. Will it fly again? Get out of here.
Gotta check the props. I wonder if we should change the props or just send them.
How chowdered are they?
They are just bent to crap.
Then let's see what we can do.
We got a bunch of people. We can get a bunch of prop wrenches.
Yeah.
So everybody has a prop wrench. Go grab it real quick, and we'll change props.
Flip it over.
Props too, right? Bring it.
Pit stop! Pit stop!
Are we just doing all the props, or are we just doing
All bottom ones.
What do you think went wrong with it?
The batteries, I'm pretty sure the batteries were too heavy. It just felt like it was impossible to control that time. And we tried something different. I don't usually change things before flying something for the first time or before flying something for an episode. And it's because Drew yells at me all the time for changing stuff.
Yeah. You think you can get
But we tried this and it didn't work, so we're gonna go back to what did work. And we're gonna use the regular batteries that I had on it the first time.
John, yes. Is he gonna send?
Yeah, we're gonna change the props.
All of them.
All the bottom.
Just bend them back.
This guy.
Just bend them back. It's fine. Just give it a try.
Look at how bad they are.
So here, no, it'll be not bad. Here we go.
This guy.
Here we go.
That's 1 out of 8.
This is called safety. Oh wait, hold on. Keep in mind the motor is angled too. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I just want the shot. I just want the smoke bomb going through it.
I picked it up off the ground.
All right, send it. All right, it's fine. It's fine. Let's get ready to send it. So the batteries were just too heavy? That is wild that it made that big of a difference.
It made a huge difference. It was like almost unflyable. Well, it was
Brought new
unflyable.
props. We're gonna change them. We're gonna change them. We're just making him send it. Yeah, he's happy about it.
Don't ask him any questions.
Plug it in.
Sean's idea.
It's gonna be fine.
Oh, this is backwards.
Fine or not. Do you need batteries?
No, I'm gonna kill them. I don't have any voltage monitoring.
Are these? I will give you guys new batteries. Anyone who's donating a battery gets a brand new battery. Are you guys running 8 batteries?
No,
Four. That's crazy.
Well, I killed those last 4, but
All right. Yeah, just send it. Just run it until it's destroyed.
Okay.
I'll bring batteries come up, but they don't come down.
The concrete?
Run them till they're 0.
This is like a live studio audience. Right?
That's right.
Yeah, but like if you hold the cord halfway down and spin it like it's flipping like that.
But then it doesn't play because you got to hold the button.
Well, let me go get you some tape.
No, this is not.
Let me go get
definitely it's a fight to fly that thing. That's for sure.
Is it stable at all?
Yeah, I think we will.
Once I make it stable, it stays stable until somebody hits it.
Oh,
But I gotta get it stable first. I have to keep compensating for its overcompensation. And once I
the oscillation.
once I get rid of that oscillation and it stays stable, it's good for a while.
2, 4, 6, 8. Who's gonna crash into the
It looked good from the hoops perspective.
All right, here we go. Wow. You just gotta put good batteries. Yeah, you got it.
Get it.
Nice. So that's the secret. You just gotta have fresh batteries. It's like a regular freestyle drone here. Come on, guys, you gotta dive it. What's the problem? Why can't you hit the gate? Come on. What's the deal? There you go.
Oh, through the wires.
Moving gate. That was the whole point, right? Yeah. You guys ready for an inverted yaw spin?
You okay, Sean?
Yeah, I'm good. This is the best this thing's ever flown. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm really orbiting. Oh boy.
The worst time.
Oh boy. There we go.
It's got the jitters.
Yep, we're back to the bouncy down. Oh, stabilize. There you go. Batteries are dying. It's coming down. Nice. Yeah, that was awesome.
You can so to see it. Yeah.
Nice.
Those should all be fully charged.
I don't want to get you on top.
Oh, okay.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, definitely.
No, this one's toast. I can smell it. But that's 75% success rate.
Gonna roll it.
I saw it bent.
You did a bunch of rolls though, so that's good.
It wouldn't stop.
Gosh.
That's a lot of momentum to try to stop the roll. It just kept going.
Dude, that was so cool, bro. Great flying.
I'm sorry on the quad. I aim to please. Feel good?
Yeah, it's good.
Bend it back to place. Bend it and send it.
Little tweak, we're alright. Don't fly again. You have a little faith. Yeah, they made a kaputski. Like they probably dented. You and I need to push again from these edges, it looks like. I'll hold you push. Oh my god, you're so much stronger than you look. God! I actually think
that's good.
There wasn't a seam. There wasn't a seam or anything.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it just sheared. Yeah.
While you're touching that part, push down a little bit.
The SD cards.
I'm pretty sure Luke and I have broken Kevlar.
Alright, that's the 4-shot, mostly in one piece. And then it's gonna go through the blender.
Yeah, it's gonna hit it.
The hoop won!
I'll wait.
Good flight, good flight.
That's it. Oh, alright, this is the real ender for all you guys that stuck around. Right? Yeah.
It's the second real ender.
This is the real ending. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Let'sPlay RC. We'll see you next time on Rotor Riot.
Woo! Yeah.
Rampage!
That was a good sacrifice, thank you.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Worth it.
We get bars in our goggles.